What does it really take to be an exceptional editor? It's not the number of editing tricks up your sleeve, but it's your mindset that you craft. Minecraft. Let's talk about how the right approach can transform your craft. So assuming that you know the basics of your program, so like Premiere Pro and such, then your focus should be practice. If you're into gaming like me and never touch grass, then a great way to find footage to practice on is to use the streamers that you watch and take their VODs. And to do this, you can find a software called Twitch Leecher, which I'll leave in the description down below. You can go to your favorite broadcast and find their link, such as this one, and you'll drop it into the Twitch Leecher and it'll download it straight to your computer. And using this, you can cut up their footage, make it engaging and make it pop, and use that to really just hone your skills. Or maybe you got a bunch of family videos lying around, like that trip to Japan. Why not try to turn that into a vlog? Grab every chance you got to practice your skills. This isn't just about putting in the hours, it's about deliberate, focused practice. But to really grow, you'll need to follow these next steps. After using After Effects for so long, I've actually created a formula that lets you practice and improve indefinitely. Let's imagine you're editing a video and you have a difficult visual effects shot in mind. It might feel impossible right now, but every time you hit a wall, you've got an opportunity to improve yourself. That's your cue to dig deep. Look up tutorials, blend techniques, and even if it takes you 5 different tutorials to get what you need, piece by piece, you've built up the knowledge to achieve that shot. And here's the thing, after you've tackled a dozen of these challenges, you're not just learning, you're building a vault of knowledge. That's how you become a great editor. It's brick by brick until you build a foundation, effect by effect. Now let's get strategic. You've played with various types of footage, right? Find the one that you really like and it's clicked with you. Perfect. Focus in on that, zero in and specialize. Edit as much of that content as possible. Take raw footage from the content that you like and specialize in learning effects that complement this style. It could be mastering sound design, music, or visual effects, or any of these types of things in their specialized way, but it's about the small things that you learn from specializing in a single type of content. And small details make good to great. This might sound like a basic tip, but I can't overstate it enough. Before you even start editing, you need to be planning your shots like a script. You need to be organized, tidy, and keep your notes clear. This helps you find all the assets you need before editing, and helps avoid slowing down the process in the middle of editing. This is especially true when you plan your effects for each shot. There's a lot of ways you can do this, but the one that I've found personally useful is using Frame.io. You can use Frame.io to leave notes at specific timestamps. So in essence, it looks something like this, where you can leave notes at specific times, just like I've done here. This helps it stay clear and organized, and I just personally really like Frame.io, to be honest. Your skills are crucial, and so are your connections. Engage in the editing community. Post your reels and edits on Twitter or X, get inspired by other editors, and grow your reputation. It's like an RPG. I've personally found that my biggest clients have come from Twitter, and this has just been through posting reels and edits of just my work in itself. Do not underestimate the power of networking. And on a secondary note, when clients actually reach out to you, you have a higher likely chance of getting that job, whereas when you're reaching out to them. And finally, please take care of your health. Long hours in front of the screen can take their toll on you. Take breaks, exercise, and keep your workspace tidy and clean. A healthy editor is a more efficient editor. Implement these strategies and let me know how you get on in the comment section down below. Get out there and truly make something amazing. And don't forget to subscribe. And thank you. And I'll see you next time.